If you want to become rich in the next few years, there's one manufacturing business you should seriously look at. What if I told you that the water bottle you use every day doesn't need to be plastic at all? That it can be made from paper and still be strong, safe, and designed to disappear back into the earth without leaving behind a single toxic trace? Paper water bottles aren't just a packaging trend. They're a manufacturing shift built around three powerful principles: compostable, biodegradable, and recyclable materials. And together, they're shaping one of the fastest growing segments in sustainable packaging. Let's start at the beginning: manufacturing. Paper bottle production begins with fibers, recycled paper, bamboo pulp, sugarcane bagasse, wheat straw, or FSC certified wood pulp. These fibers are mixed with water and mechanically broken down into a fine pulp slurry. This slurry becomes the foundation of the bottle. Next comes molding. The wet pulp is drawn into specialized bottle molds using vacuum forming or thermoforming. Two halves of the bottle take shape as the pulp sticks to the mold under pressure. Once formed, they're pressed and dried at high temperatures to increase strength and durability. But paper alone cannot hold water. This is where barrier technology enters. A thin inner coating, a bio-based polymer like PLA or PHA, is applied to the inside. These materials come from natural sources like corn or sugarcane and provide essential water resistance without relying on petroleum plastics. This step is what allows the bottle to stay eco-friendly while still being functional. After coating, the halves are sealed together, trimmed, embossed, printed with non-toxic inks, and tested for leaks. The result is a bottle made almost entirely from renewable, plant-based materials, ready to step into a world demanding alternatives to plastic. Now here's where the real opportunity begins: understanding what makes these bottles compostable, biodegradable, and recyclable. A recyclable bottle is one that can be collected, sorted, and turned into new products. Paper bottles often join the paper recycling stream when the inner liner is designed for easy separation or made from a recyclable biopolymer. In a circular economy, this keeps materials in use longer and reduces dependence on virgin resources. A biodegradable bottle is one that breaks down naturally through microbes in the environment, turning into CO2, water, and biomass. But the word biodegradable is broad, it has no global time limit, and some materials may take months while others take decades. That's why biodegradable claims are not heavily regulated, and not all biodegradable items are environmentally safe. A compostable bottle goes a step further. To be certified compostable, the material must break down under controlled composting conditions, typically within 180 days, and leave behind no toxins. It must meet strict standards like ISO 17088, N13432, or ASTM D6400, which require 90% biodegradation and 90% physical disintegration. In India, the Central Pollution Control Board, CPCB, regulates compostable certifications, ensuring manufacturers meet these standards before making compostability claims. Here's the simple truth: all compostable materials are biodegradable. Not all biodegradable materials are compostable. And as regulations against single-use plastics tighten globally, certified compostable materials are becoming the gold standard. The market is responding fast. The global biodegradable and compostable packaging market is estimated at over $501 billion in 2024, projected to reach $800 billion by 2032, growing at around 6% CAGR. Bioplastics like PLA are leading the segment, with some categories like PHA growing at nearly 25% annually. Governments are pushing regulations, brands are committing to sustainable packaging, and consumers are demanding greener choices. Why consider entering this industry? Because paper bottles sit at the perfect intersection of sustainability, innovation, and regulation. They reduce carbon footprint, eliminate microplastics, and offer strong branding appeal to companies looking to replace plastic. They align with global bans on single-use plastics and qualify for certifications that open doors to export markets. And with raw materials like recycled paper and agricultural residues widely available, the manufacturing ecosystem is efficient and scalable. Of course, challenges exist. Barrier technology must continue to improve, consumer education is needed, and recycling systems must adapt to new materials. But innovation is accelerating, and early adopters are gaining a competitive edge as demand rises globally. This is more than manufacturing. It's about building a product designed for the planet. A bottle that can be recycled, that can biodegrade naturally, or that can turn into compost that enriches the soil. A bottle that fits perfectly into the circular economy the world is moving toward. With the right process, technology, and certifications, paper water bottles can become a cornerstone of next-generation sustainable packaging. And if you're ready to explore this opportunity, we can help. With over 30 years of experience, we guide entrepreneurs through every stage, from idea to execution. We provide detailed techno-economic feasibility reports, market research, equipment specifications, process flow diagrams, and financial planning models, all tailored to your business needs. Because this isn't just another business idea, it's a game changer. If you found this video valuable, let us know in the comments. And for more opportunities that turn waste into wealth, hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel.